Hello guys, you have reached Regina TV, and today I thought I would show you how I have decluttered my home, freed up space, kept 85% of my belongings by using the things I already had. If you want to see how I achieved this, then just stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get to it. Alright guys, I am guilty of buying too many pillows. I love pillows, guys. I love them. I love the way they make my space look. But sometimes we can have too many pillows. And that don't mean you have to throw them away. So let me show you what I have come up with to keep my pillows, but still declutter my space. I buy pillows that have their own removable covers, like this one. I can stuff another pillow inside of here and hide pillows that I already have without buying more pillows. Watch. Not only does this technique make your pillows that you have look more fuller, but it hides the pillows that you do not want on display. Once you have your pillow stuffed into one pillow, you have your regular pillow and the pillow you want to hide in your pillow cover. You take it and you simply zip it up and you have a beautiful full pillow. Guys, so just combine two pillows into one and you can hide your pillows that you're not using at that time. All right, guys, one of the things that helped me save a lot of space in my home, no matter what I was trying to store, was vacuum storage bags. Watch how I shrink down this pillow using this vacuum storage bag. All right, guys, I have my big pillow in the bag, and I'm going to compress it. Look at that, guys. So you can have your pillows. You can put as many pillows that will fit in this bag, and you can put them away until it's time to use them. And when you're ready to reuse them, just simply open up the bag. And your pillow comes right back to life. Look at that. Look at that. All right, guys, I love candles. But when the candles burn out, I am left with a beautiful glass cylinder. And I have a few of these cylinders sitting around my home. Let me show you what I have decided to do with this one. Guys, look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? I absolutely love it. I was able to achieve this from an old candle jar, rocks from my garden, and plants from another project. Guys, you don't have to go out and buy anything. Just look and see what you have already and make it work. All right, guys, I can find a sale anywhere. And one of the best sales that I have found were these. I was in Walmart and I found these beautiful decorative centerpieces for $1. Look at that, guys. So instead of just having these sitting on the table, I combined them with candlestick holders that I had already. And I simply glued it to the bottom. And now I have 3 of them sitting on my basement table and they look gorgeous. Guys, I have always loved tub caddies. Love them. But if you're not going to keep that tub caddy on your tub or you want to take a shower, where are you going to put it? And when I'm done taking my bath, I put the picture right back on the wall. All right, guys, this is a steamer, and this steamer does multiple jobs. I don't buy a lot of different machines to do what this one steamer can do. This steamer steams my clothes, my curtains, my mattresses, my hair, my face, my sink, and much more. Watch how I use this one steamer to do multiple tasks. All right, guys, well, these are curtains from my bedroom, but they look better in my bathroom. And instead of just storing them, I used them somewhere else. All right, guys, well, that's not the only thing that I reuse from around my house in my bathroom. Let me show you this. So this is a bread bowl that we had around the house and I wasn't using anymore. So I thought I would bring it in my bathroom and use it for this. All right, guys, isn't this perfect? This is a perfect bowl to hold my towels and to add a little bit of spa luxury to my bathroom. So guys, another good idea. All right, guys, this bowl has been everywhere in my home. I mean, everywhere. But when I'm tired of it in one place, I use it in another place. Once upon a time, this bowl was in my bathroom. Isn't this a beautiful towel display holder? And I use this bowl for something else. Watch. All right, guys, that's all you have to do. Look at what you have and see how you can reuse it and stop cluttering up your home and buying extra things that you don't even need. Well, guys, you have reached Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know when my next video is coming out. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I'll talk to you later. Mwah.